Lucia 3. Today we're going to play some Duolingo and Roblox. Let's first begin with some Roblox, because you know everybody likes Roblox. My friends like Roblox. You know what we're going to play today. Automatics are in line 2. So replicative line 1. Sorry if I couldn't upload our... Okay, my dad's coming. He's saying we need to exit at Olympus Square, which is this. This is line 2, not line 1. You can notice by the 2 designation, it's the only line to have a different number instead of 1. It's a quite small metro. It is a fast metro, yes. It doesn't have a vast network though. Value Park is so good on the line 2 compared to line 1. Line 1 also has screens, but with faster time. You get your Roman numerals time. This is line 2's map. Comes from Olympus Square to Mario's door. We are finally approaching and getting out of line. We should see some lights. Now we see some green lights. It means the train is arriving. We are going to get to Olympus Square. We are in the correct platform. The train's arriving. This is the only train to have a 2 designation. With a different number compared to 1 with a 2 designation. Hope the ST2 releases. We're beginning at the Value Park. You know, the Value Park. We are riding line 2. He's sitting next to him. So there is Odyssea. It begins at Olympus Square and goes to Odyssea. The train's got cancelled. We're coming from Olympus Square all the way to Odyssea, which is all the way to Mario's door, I mean. So we're going to take line 2, which is the only line with a 2 designation. See the whole map just for safety. It begins with Olympus Square, then interconnects the line with Odyssea and Value Park. Does not stop at Odyssea Tower. It's going to Value Park. And then it ends in Mario's door. We're coming to Odyssea now. Now we're stopping at Odyssea. So Odyssea is this station. You go after Olympus Square. It will interconnect the second station on line 1. Has its red lights to indicate the doors are closing. The next station is Value Park, which is also interconnects line on the Value Park. Probably. You can see we're just going to approach Value Park. We're pretty fast.
Athalia Park.
Pretty fast.
Athalia Park.
Athalia
Athalia Park.
Park.
Athalia Park.
You know what Athalia Park does? Open its doors. And then we need to get to Martha's store. The station I need. You can see red lights that indicate the doors are closed. We'll find past the Athalia Park and go to Martha's store. Here's another station with another exit. Comes north. An exit ticket with me so I can take it while I need. Now going to Martha's store. Funny, in Martha's store, it also has its own signals line too.
Maya Soda Store.
Yeah, Martha's store. We're in the forbidden platform. We're finally going outside of Martha's door and going into the line 2, which is a forbidden platform, which you're not allowed to take. Only people can exit. Now we're going to play some. We're now going to play some duolingo. It's actual. And you can see the duolingo logo. They'll change to Super Duolingo, which means I'm having my trial. We're going to describe some people.
かっこいい先生です。かっこいい先生です。
学生です。学生です。
優しい人でかっこいい先生です。かっこいい先生です。
As you can notice,
かっこいい
you can.
かっこいい学生です学生です
If I do a mistake,
かっこいい人です。
You know what
かっ
happens.
こいい人です。
oh, he's a cool person.
かで
かっこいい学生です。かっこいい学生です。
Cool student.
かっこいい。かっこいい。学
Hey,
学
優しい人です。優しい人です。
what would you nice person?
優しい。優しい。学
Cool person? Easy.
か人か人
人。
We've got 15 in a row, which is enough. I got speed 217, which is a little fast, but I'll see you. I'll see you by next week. So you know what happens? We're not going to play Duolingo. We're just going to play a little bit of automatic subway line 1 and EST 1, and a game after that called